Hey you guys, it's Mrs. Alexander, and today we're doing some more Engaged New York. We're in Module 1 still, Lesson 14. And our objective of the day is to use the place value understanding to decompose to smaller units up to 3 times using the standard subtraction algorithm and apply the algorithm to solve word problems. So use a standard algorithm to solve the following problems. So again, we're going to practice just solving problems, and then we'll jump down to a word problem. So I'm going to go ahead and bounce into my scribble pad. I'm going to go to scribble. Remember, I'm using my finger. I'm going to go 2,460. And now I'm going to subtract 1,370. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. So 0 minus 0. Great job. 6 minus 7. Can I take 7 away from 6? If you're not too sure, put up 6 fingers and can you give me 7? No. So what do we need to do? Yes, we need to regroup. So this 400, I'm going to take 10 from it. Well, actually, I'm taking 100, and it's become 3. Now I'm going to move it over to here, which means this 6 becomes a 16. 16 take away 7. Great job, is 9. 3 minus 3, and then 2 minus 1. Here is the answer for here. As I said, you need to go to the left when you need to regroup, and you take one of those place values, one of those from that column, and place it in the column you need it to subtract the bigger number on the bottom. So now I'm going to hit save and close. We're going to quick bounce into this one. And again, I'm going to go and scribble. I have 2,460. Now I'm making it spaced apart, so you remember to put it in the appropriate columns. So 1,470. So now I'm going to subtract. Again, I have 0 minus 0. And I ran into the same problem right here with this 6 and 7. So you're right. I come over here. This becomes a 3. This becomes a 16. Now I do 16 minus 7, which gives me 9. Now look at this, you guys. I have 3 minus 4. Can I take 4 from 3? No, so I need to regroup again. So let's quick undo that. My 2 will become a 1, and now this 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. And then 1 minus 1, right, 0. So this answer is 990. And look, we had to regroup twice. So sometimes you do need to regroup more than just one time. You need just to slow down and look at the numbers. Don't just jump to the answer. So let's look at this last one. This one's a 10,000 one. These are kind of fun when you look at it. Lots of things could go wrong. So I'm going to do my 97,684, and I have 49,700. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 4 minus 0. Great job. 8 minus 0. 6 minus 7. I can't do that, can I? So I'm going to come over here in this column. I'm going to regroup. This is going to become a 6, right? And this becomes a 16 because I took one from over here. 16 minus 7 is, yes, 9. So now I have 6 subtract 9. Can I do that? No. So we need to, yes, regroup. So this 9 becomes an 8, and my 6 becomes a 16. 16 minus 9, you're right, is 7. And now I do 8 minus 4. Yep, so look at that. Again, we regrouped twice. Okay, let's go jump and look at our word problem. And remember, I gave you extras for practice. How many seconds a day is he away from work? So right here, I'm going to quick just get my sentence ready. So I'm going to say Mr. Liegel is away from work 1, 2, 3 seconds a day. So there are 86,400 seconds in one day. If Mr. Liegel is at work for 28,800 seconds a day, how many seconds a day is he away from work? So I need to take the 86,400 seconds and subtract 28,800 seconds. So this is where I get to jump into my scribble pad. Here we go. So I'm going to scribble. So it was 8,600, and then this one was 28,800. So ladies and gentlemen, I do not remember my numbers, and that's okay. I'm going to hit save and close and go back. 86,400. Okay, so I was close. I had most of it. So right here, I'm going to write 400. And remember, we're trying to figure out how long he's away from work. We know how much he's at work. How much is he away? So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 4 minus 8. Can I do that? So what do I have to do? Yes, you need to regroup. So my 6 becomes a 5, and my 4 becomes a, great job, 14. 14 minus 8 is, yes, 6. 5 minus 8. No, I can't do that. What do I have to do then? Great job, you guys. I need to regroup. So what becomes of this 8? 7. And what turns to 5? Great job, 15. What's 15 minus 8? Great job, you guys. And 7 minus 2? So here's the answer I need. He is away from work 57,600 seconds. So now that I know that, I'm going to make this just a little smaller so it jumps up. Mr. Liegel is away from work 57,600 seconds a day. So did you see how I used the information I had? I reworded the sentence so that I knew what my answer was. As you're doing this, take your time. Remember to check that subtraction, especially if you have to regroup. And remember, as you're doing this, to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I will talk to you later. Bye.